Are you being troubled by bad luck? Well, here's how to remove a curse and bad luck forever. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Luck, what is it? How does it work? You know, sometimes people say, well, I have bad luck. Nothing works out for me. I believe that is a belief. That is a belief that you choose to have or you've adopted, and you don't need to have it. Every time you say, I have bad luck, you're really affirming that you do have bad luck. In other words, high flyers, you are manifesting your own bad luck. Luck is a product of vibration, and it's a product of what we attract. So good luck can oftentimes be bad luck, and bad luck can oftentimes be good luck. I remember many years ago driving from Seattle to Tacoma, and the engine started to make a sound, a ding. And so we pulled over to the side of the road, and we were there for about a half hour, kind of looking at the engine. And I think we found something with the carburetor or something, but we fixed it. We got back in our car and we drove on. There was a massive accident, fatalities, all kinds of stuff. There was a good chance, high flyers, that had we not had that, quote, bad luck, we might have been in that accident because the timing was such. We were all shocked. I mean, we were like white as ghosts because we couldn't believe what had happened. Bad luck became good luck, and good luck becomes bad luck. It's just a matter of perspective. It's a matter of your beliefs. So to walk around and say I have bad luck, well, in my case, that bad luck was good luck. So high flyers, luck is a label. I want to read you a story. It's an ancient Zen proverb. And if you've heard it, you can kind of fast forward or hear it again. And if you haven't heard it, it is worth hearing. An elderly, hardworking Chinese farmer and his son had a single horse. They used the horse to plow the field, to sow seeds and grow the crop, and transport it to the market. The horse was essential for the farmer to earn his livelihood. One morning, the horse broke the fence and it ran away into the woods. When the neighbors found out that their only horse had run away, they came to solace him. They said, "Your only horse has run away just before the planting season. How will you till the land? How will you sow the seeds? This is unfortunate. This is bad luck." The farmer replied, "Good luck, bad luck. Who knows?" A few days later, the farmer's horse returned from the woods along with 2 other wild horses. When the neighbors found out the news, they said, "Now you have 3 horses. You can till the land much faster with 3 horses. Maybe you can buy more land or sow more seed and crop and make more money, or you can sell the other 2 horses. Either way, you will be a rich man. This is good luck." The wise farmer replied, "Good luck, bad luck. Who knows?" Next morning, the farmer's son started training the wild horses. He wanted to train these wild horses to help till the land. While attempting to mount one of the wild horses, he fell down and broke his leg. Just before the sowing season, the son would not be able to help the farmer with his broken leg. The neighbors came once again and commented, "This is really unfortunate. This is bad luck." The wise farmer repeated, "Good luck, bad luck. Who knows?" Well, a few days later, the king's men started to visit each village in the kingdom. A war had started between their kingdom and a neighboring enemy state. The king's men were enlisting the eldest son from each family to join the army so that they could defeat the enemy state. When they came to the farmer's house, they saw the son with his broken leg. He would not be of much use in the army, and hence they did not take him. He was the eldest son, and the eldest son in every family in the village was taken forcibly, but he was not. The neighbors, well, some of them with teary eyes, came once again to the farmer and commented, "Your son breaking his leg was really fortunate. He is the only one who was not taken. What a stroke of good luck." The farmer calmly replied, "Good luck, bad luck. Who knows?" Every single time the neighbors thought that what had happened to the farmer was bad luck, it turned out to be good luck. And just when the neighbors thought that the incident had brought the farmer good luck, it turned out to be bad luck. You see, high flyers, your fears give power to good luck or bad luck. Who knows? Okay, so your fears also give power to curses, hexes, and black magic and negative intentions. You see, what black magic really is, or hexes or curses, it's the law of attraction that has been turned negative and focused on you by someone else. But listen, the first thing that you need to do is understand that their hexes, their negative power against you can't hurt you if you are strong, if you believe confidently in your dreams and your goals, in your own personal power and your connection to source energy. So the first thing that you might want to do is challenge your fears. Write them down. Write your fears down on a piece of paper and then challenge them, argue them, and then come up with a positive affirmation. I am safe, secure, abundant, healthy, and happy. In other words, what you're saying is all these negative thoughts or negative energy that's coming at me, that I believe is coming at me, I'm challenging it. I'm saying it's illogical to believe that it can hurt me if my power, if my law of attraction is stronger. And then I choose to make it stronger with a positive, optimistic affirmation. High flyers, the next thing that I like to do to clear away any negative energy or negative thoughts that are being focused on me is when I get out of bed in the morning, and I stretch and I yawn, and then I just take that deep breath in and I put my hands over my head and I visualize that I'm pulling the divine white light over my entire body. And I breathe it in and I feel it in my body and my energy field. And then I just have this sense of absolute assurance that I am safe, that I am secure, and that only good things are coming my way. Well, so clearing with divine light, I do that every morning, but I also recommend doing it before you go to bed at night as well. And then next, refocus your intentions. What are your intentions? What are your goals? Get really focused on what you desire, on what you are manifesting. Get focused with your affirmations. Get focused with your beliefs and your actions. Focus your affirmations, your actions on your intentions. Well, finally, high flyers, negative energy, curses and hexes really can't grow in an environment of gratitude. When you are feeling grateful for all the good things in your life, for all the good people in your life, for the food that you eat, for the car that you drive, the air that you breathe, it's very difficult for negative energy to permeate that barrier. That's an incredible barrier that will protect you from literally everything that is negative. You see, gratitude is so strong. It's impossible to have disempowering beliefs when you're filled with gratitude. So fill yourself with gratitude all day long. You'll be surprised how so-called negative energy or negative thoughts of others or hexes or curses just seem to die at your feet. Now, if you need help, you can contact us. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You're safe. You've got the power. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.